oh, she's speaking from experience.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be talking about 5 type of guys you need to stay away from. So a little backup story on why I want to do this is because I did this on TikTok, guys. Go follow me on TikTok. It kind of went viral and I'm at like 20k views on that, and a lot of people been like giving me good feedback and commenting and all that good stuff. So I'm like, let me take this to YouTube and see what everyone have to say, you know. So the first thing I have written down is stay away from guys who are inconsistent. Obviously, this is obvious. If he's not consistent with you, if he's not texting you all the time, if he's not showing up, if he's not just, you know, taking you out on several dates all the time, just being consistent, always checking up on you, always making sure you're good. If he's inconsistent, stay away from him. If he's not showing you no type of loyalty, not coming back, not responding to your texts, he want to just be here and there with you, he is not for you. He is for the streets, okay? So let's keep him at the streets and let's move on and find us a dude that's gonna be, you know, all about you. So the next one I have is the disrespectful type of guys. There's a lot of disrespectful guys out there, and one thing is that I don't tolerate is the disrespect. Once I feel like a dude is disrespecting me, I am out the door. Guys, yo, I let these guys go like water. Like, I just be out the door left and right, and people always telling me this is why he can't keep a man. No, it's because I don't take no bullshit from no man. Like, for what? If he's disrespecting you, he's gonna disrespect your family, he's gonna disrespect your kids, he's gonna disrespect you. Come on, you're worth more than that. That's just obvious. Anyone that disrespects you in life, period, you shouldn't even be around them. So the third thing I have written down is the late night texters. You know what I'm talking about. Like the late night texters, the ones who only hit you up in the nighttime. All they want to do is keep a conversation with you in the nighttime. They want to do, you know, phone sex, and they want to, like, you know, entertain you only in the nighttime. They only, like, okay, I understand some people commented on my TikTok that what if they work late, or what if they work all day and then they could only hit you up in the nighttime. I get it, but when you at work, you do get a break, right? Or am I bugging? Or have I never had a 9-to-5 job? A lot of men on my TikTok wrote me, oh, but I work from this time to this time and I have no choice but to hit her up at night times. Oh, but you get a break. Oh, but you got ready for work. You could have hit her up in the morning time. You could have hit her up when you was on your way to work. You could have hit her up during work. You could have hit her up all these times, but you choose in the nighttime to hit her up. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe I'm just bugging out. Like, when people was writing that, I had a few comments on that, like, oh, I work all day, so I have no choice but to hit her up in the nighttime. I was just like, yeah, okay, keep hitting her up in the nighttime and see if she'll last long. Like, no, don't believe in the late night texters. They just looking for entertainment. They just looking for entertainment and a good time in the nighttime. Like, I don't know. Comment down below if you think different, because I don't know. I don't like late night texters. And I can understand you text me in the nighttime, but if it's all the time in the nighttime only, no, it's not okay. Next person I wrote is the ones that don't believe in God. Listen, I am a strong believer in God, okay? God has done a lot of things for me in my life. Like, some people be like, why do you believe in God? I just know it, and you will know it. You will believe when you know it, you know, when you feel it. It's in my soul. I feel it. He has done so many great things. He has taken me out of so many bad positions, and just because I prayed about it, things started happening. And that's how I know my God is real. That's how I know my God is bigger. Every time I leaped into faith, and I knew this, like, you know, if you cannot have a conversation about faith and about God with a guy, that guy is not for you. Especially when you believe in God, guys. If you believe in God and he don't, he's out the door. What's the point of a relationship? You get what I'm saying? What's the point? He probably don't even believe in marriage. So now he's just gonna keep you around for no reason, and that's the last thing you want, is to be around for no reason and not to be like there with someone. Like, why are you wasting my time? I want to be able to talk about God with you and be able to have strong conversations. I love that. Like, I love that. And you know, like, I remember I was in a relationship with a guy. He wasn't even Christian. He was if I'm not mistaken, he wasn't Christian, but he believed in God. And our conversations was so powerful. Our conversations was so long. It just made me like him more because he believed in God. But it didn't work out, of course. But I'm still telling you, a guy will last longer when he believes in God. A healthy relationship will last longer when they believe in the same God as you. You know what I'm saying? Like, the last thing I have written down is the dudes that only want to see you in the nighttime. Okay, I know I said the texting in the nighttime, but a bigger thing is the ones, the worst thing is the ones that only want to see you in the nighttime, as if you're a booty call. Whenever a dude hits you up at night and just be like, hey, let's link, all the time, and you with the late linkers, you know, the late linkers or whatever, you with that, the sneaky links, you with it. As a female, we want to expand our horizons. Yes, we want to be like, you know, experienced and like grow and just be doing grown things. But what are you really looking in life? Are you really trying to get married? Are you really trying to elevate your life? Or are you really just trying to be a late night linker all day long with different men? And I'm not judging you, but sometimes you have to open your eyes, open your mind, and start doing things different for yourself. Like, a lot of times dudes used to ask me, hey, let's link. And like I said, you want to expand your horizons, you want to expand your experiences. So you're like, okay, let me try something new and link this person late at night. But then I started to realize, like, what am I doing? Is it worth it, me linking you in the nighttime, and then the next morning I don't ever see you ever again, or I don't hear from you or whatever, and then in the nighttime again you hit me up, let's link again? Even if you're in a relationship with somebody, right, and that relationship is going great, but he only want to see you in the nighttime. He don't take you out on any dates. He just hits you up every night like, hey, let's hang out, let's hang out, let's hang out. And you're like, okay, you guys hang out in the car, you guys go to his house, you hang out in the car, you go to his house, and it's always a repetitive thing, and he don't want nothing else. He is a late night linker only. Mark him as a late night linker and expand your horizons elsewhere, okay? And I would hope that you don't take him serious, because I understand some people's situations is different, like either they don't have money or whatever the case is. But if he's only linking you in the nighttime and you guys are only doing the nasty in the nighttime, and then during the day he don't hit you up or nothing like that, he's bad. He's not good for you. He's not good for you, sis. Run away. Run away as quick as you can. And that's the best advice I could probably give anyone. And I am starting to take my own advices. So, girl, yeah. I hate the fact that somebody commented on my TikTok saying,
oh, she's speaking from experience.
And I'm like, okay, everyone go through experiences, but it takes a strong one to speak about it and motivate the next person not to do the mistakes you did, okay? Not saying that I was doing all these nasty things and late night texting and all that stuff, but I just know what's wrong, and I know those things ain't gonna get you far with a man. And take my advice, sis. You're young. Value yourself. Find what you like to do, and find people that like to do the same thing you like to do, so that you guys can grow and be together forever. And that's the best thing about life, when you find the people that love to do what you love to do. And that's the best advice I could probably give anyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was very informative for you, and I hope that you do not do the things that I said. I hope that you don't take this and twist it around somehow. Comment down below also your bad experiences with late night texters, late night linkers, and all that good stuff. And I want to hear it, you know. I'm here for it, and I want to do another video talking about it. Maybe your experience. You could even DM me on Instagram, and I will do like videos on what your story was about, and I'll keep you anonymous. So guys, I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at my goal for the year. Please help me get there by subscribing and staying tuned to my next video. I love you. Be great out there, and I'll see you in my next one.